How to remove payment card in Good Guys app. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's jump into the video. If you're on your PC, the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. Let me head over to Google Chrome. Once you're in here, in the search bar, you have to search for the Good Guys login. Tons of different sites will be visible to you, but head over to the very first site. Well, it will land you on the official page of the Good Guys. Once you're in here, the very first thing you want to do is to log into your specific account. Simply enter your email address and the password and click on login. But if you don't have your account yet, then tap on register over here. This interface will appear on your screen. In this page, you simply have to fill up all of these informations and then click on this checkbox and tap on submit once you are done. Once you click on submit, your account will be created successfully. After that, once again you have to enter your email address and the password and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, head over to your profile at the top right corner and then move into settings. Inside settings, head over to payment method. Inside payment method, all the list of the card that you have added will be visible. All you want to do is click on the card that you want to remove. Once you click on it, all of your card detail information will be available. At the bottom, the option of remove will also be available to you. Click on it and then once again click on remove. Once you click on remove, your payment card will be deleted successfully and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can remove payment card in Good Guys app. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.